Hi, we're going to go over how to determine the correct scale on a graduated cylinder. So before we take a look at this, I want to say that there are two ways of doing it. One is guess and check, and one is more mathematical. So this graduated cylinder, measuring in milliliters, is pretty easy because we can kind of guess, okay, 40, if we go to every interval, which is the space between lines, and see what the value is. If we just count up by ones, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, bingo, that works out. That's 40. If we count by 1 milliliter, that gets us to 50, so that we know the scale is 1 milliliter, or the value of line to line is 1 milliliter. That was pretty easy. However, sometimes it's not as easy, so I'm going to give you a mathematical way as well. If you come over and you take a look at the value between one numbered line and the next numbered line, so from 10 to 20 is a distance of 10. But that 10 is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 spaces. So the value 10, the distance from 10 to 20, chopped into 10 pieces, 10 divided by 10 is 1. So you can see how we get the 1 milliliter. Now you might want to say, well, why would I go through all this trouble mathematically if I can just guess? Well, sometimes you don't have to. So if guessing gets you there fast, go ahead and do that. However, take a look at this graduated cylinder. If we just assume that all graduated cylinders have a scale of 1, let's see what that does here. This would be 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Well, that certainly isn't 45. So this does not have a scale of 1 milliliter. So mathematically, again, if we look at the distance from one numbered line to the next, from 20 to 30 is 10. But now it's cut up into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spots. So that value of 10 is divided into 5 equal spaces. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So our scale is 2 milliliters, meaning the distance from one line to the very next is 2. So let's see if that works out. 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. So here we have a graduated cylinder whose scale is 2. And I think you can see how important that is, because if we just assume it's always counting by ones, we'll never be able to read it correctly. All right, here's a third one. Let's see how you do. Pause the video and try to figure out the scale, and then we'll check it together. Go ahead and pause. Welcome back. Let's see how you did. Again, if we just assume it's 1, 6 to 7, oops, that doesn't work out right with the numbering. So I'm going to do my trick. I'm going to take from one numbered to the very next numbered. 6 to 7 is a distance of 1. But it's divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's divided into 10 spaces. 1 divided by 10th is 1/10. That means our scale is 1/10 milliliter. So this line would be 6 and 1/10, 6 and 2/10, 6 and 3/10, 6 and 4/10. This would be 6 and 5/10, or 6 1/2. I hope you did well. If you need any additional help, just let me know. Good luck.